Welcome to Alone Business Channel.
I have been doing color grading in Lightroom using lookup table generator. This time, we will color grade this video like this. This is the editing method often called cyberpunk. Let's start with the actual process. First, export the image in Premiere Pro. Let's call it Image 4. Import the image in Lightroom. Edit the white bounce. Temp 46. Tint -20. Contrast +10. Highlights -60. Shadows +80. White level -10. Black level -60. Clarity +10. Saturation +10. Set to. Edit the tone curve. Make the point curve look like this. Edit the HSL/color. Hue. Red 10. Orange 6. Yellow 6. Green 0. Aqua 0. Blue +40. Purple 0. Magenta 0. Saturation. Red -40. Orange +10. Yellow -10. Green 0. Aqua 0. Blue 50. Purple 90. Magenta 80. Brightness. Red 6. Orange 6. Yellow 6. Green 0. Aqua 80. Blue 6. Purple 90. Magenta 60. Before and after. Click Copy Settings. Check the items you have edited and click Copy. Select the image you created with the lookup table generator. Click Paste Settings. Export the image. Change the name to My Lookup Table 4. Click Convert to Cube in the lookup table generator. Select My Lookup Table 4. Now, My Lookup Table 4.cube is created. Launch Premiere Pro. Add Adjust Layer. Select Adjust Layer. Click Browse under Input Lookup Table. Select My Lookup Table 4.cube. Lookup Table is now added to the Adjust Layer. Let's check it out. Let's see how it has changed. Let's look at it again. We can now produce the color grading.
Thank you for watching the video to the end. My goal is to increase my channel subscribers. Your help will help. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.